Hi friends, here is a nice problem. X power 4 plus y power 4 minus x square y square equals 13. X square minus y square plus 2xy equals 1. And we have to solve for the case when xy is greater than or equal to 0. Right. Now we can see x power 4 plus y power 4 and x square y square. Here also x square y square. Right. So probably x power 4 plus y power 4 we can write in terms of x square y square also. X square plus y square whole square minus some x square y square. So basically we can do something and convert this equation in terms of x square y square. And probably be able to use the second equation and substitute in the first equation. Let's see how. Right, x power 4 plus y power 4. Right, that we can write it as x square minus y square whole square plus 2x square y square. Right, because x square minus y square whole square is x power 4 plus y power 4 minus 2x square y square. Right, so x power 4 plus y power 4 we can write it as x square minus y square whole square plus this 2x square y square. Let us substitute this one in this, in the first equation. X power 4 plus y power 4, let's replace that with x square minus y square whole square plus 2x square y square. This 2x square y square minus x square y square will get x square y square equals 13. Basically, the first equation we transform to this one. Right, first equation is transformed to this. Now let us use the second equation here. Second equation says x square minus y square plus 2x is 1, which means x square minus y square equals 1 minus 2xy. Right, let's substitute that 1 minus 2xy in this, in the first equation, x square minus y square. Right, 1 minus 2xy whole square plus x square y square equals 13. Square one, this becomes a plus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab, right? 1 square plus 4x square y square minus 4xy plus x square y square equals 13. Now this one, 4x square y square plus x square y square is 5x square y square minus 4xy plus 1 minus 13 is minus 2 equals 0. This means we can factorize this 5x square y square. This 4xy we can write it as minus 10xy plus 6xy minus 12. Why? 10 6 are 60 minus 10 into 6 is minus 60. 5 times minus 12 is minus 60. That's why we are factorizing like this. Then it becomes 5xy times xy minus 2 plus 6 times xy minus 2. So basically we are getting 5xy plus 6 times xy minus 2 equals 0. That means xy equals minus 6 by 5 or 2. But as per our condition, xy should be greater than or equal to 0. So we can discard this and we are left with xy equals 2. That means y equals 2 by x. So these two equations have massively simplified to y equals 2 by x. Now let us substitute this y equals 2 by x in the second equation, which is a simpler equation, right? So x square minus 2 by x square, 2 by x square plus 2x times 2 by x equals 1. That means x square minus 4 by x square plus 4 equals 1. Right, x square minus 4 by x square plus 4 equals 1. That is this. This means x power 4 minus 4 plus 4x square equals x square. This one is transformed to this. This means x square, if you bring to this side, everything to the left, x power 4 plus 3x square minus x equals 0. That means we can, again, this is, though it is to the power of 4, we can still, it is more like quadratic equation only. Right, because x square whole square. Right, this is in the form of p square plus 3p minus 4, something like this. So we can factorize this x power 4 plus 4 minus 1. 4x square minus x square minus 4x square into x square plus 4 minus 1 into x square plus 4. So x square is between 1 or minus 4. We are more interested in real solutions only. So we can discard this. So x becomes either 1. X square is 1. That means x is either 1 or minus 1. But what is y? Y is 2 by x. Earlier we have already figured out y is 2 by x. Right? If x is 1, y is 2 by x is y is 2. If x is minus 1, y is 2 by minus 1 is minus 2. So we got two real solutions. Xy is 1, 2 or minus 1, minus 2. This is a very simple problem. Only thing that we have to do is x power 4 plus y power 4, we have to convert this in such a way so that we get in terms of x square y square. And this x square minus y square, wherever we are getting, we are expressing in terms of 1 minus 2xy. So ultimately, with this, we are able to get xy equals 2. Right, y equals 2 by x. Once we got this result from the first two equations, we again substituted this in the second equation. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.